Hi guys, it's Ashley, and today we're doing a Nadine West try-on, unboxing, all that good stuff. So first off, if you're not familiar with Nadine West, this is a monthly styling service. It is free, you just pay shipping. That shipping is applied to anything you keep. And then you do get a discount if you keep everything. The return shipping is already taken care of. You just put the label on the bag, toss it in at the post office, and you're on your way. All right, the thing I'm noticing is if I send my bag back, they almost immediately send me another. There's like no wait time, and that really bothers me because I want one once a month. I feel like I'm getting one, it feels like every other week. Like I don't have that set up. You can do bi-weekly, but my husband called me. Anyway, so I just don't like that. Anyway, and then they're like really quick to want it back, and they'll charge you. Like I've gone through that with them, which I don't like. But otherwise, this is a budget-friendly subscription. I feel like Stitch Fix is a little more on the high end, as well as Wantable and some of the others. This is a little bit on the lower end, as well as a subscription called Fashion, if you've ever heard of that. Just putting all the information out there and in all like the facts. However, this is probably the best known. So you're probably going to get, I'd imagine, pretty good service. So that being said, let's bust into this. Okay, the first thing I'm seeing is this tote, and I have to say, this is absolute fire, and I want to keep it. I just love it. I love plaid. I think it's so cool, and this is very, like, I want to say, like, Scandinavian, like, just, like, kind of, I don't know, right? Am I wrong? So first up, we have this dress. This is a dress. It is just way too short for me. Not my style in that way. I do love these little like mother of pearl accents, and the color is like perfect. It's beautiful for fall. You pair this with like a little cardigan or something, and you've got a really cute look, but like it's just not for me. Like my butt is literally hanging out. Now I could pair it with pants. I could pair it with capris. I just don't want to. It's $34.99. This is a no for me. Next up is another dress. This is a magenta dress. It's cute, the color. It does have pockets. It's loose fitting. It's snug, like not snugly, but like it's comfy. It's just like, where's my happy medium? I'm a short chick. Like those are that's my like island of misfit toy socks. They go there when I don't have a match. Keeping it real always. So anyway, this is an absolute no. It is $34.99, which isn't too bad if you really love a dress. I've paid more than that for dresses. I paid $50 for one from Stitch Fix, but this is just not me. I mean, it's comfy, but it's not me at all. And I'm short, so no. Then we have another dress. I mean, they're getting that right. They're sending me a ton of dresses. Let's just tuck that tag away. This one is also short, but it's not too short. I think it's fine, but the bottom is not even. Do you see this? Like how it's just kind of like goes up here. That's weird, but it's supposed to do that. The back does have this cool, I don't know, can you see that? It's like lace, like embroidery or whatever. That's cool too. It's $34.99, which isn't bad. I just don't love it. Do you know what I mean? It's not like, I have things like it. I'm just not loving it. So, and I thought it was a shirt over because it looks short. But I don't know if I love the way the bottom, I don't know, just not for me. So this is a no as well. Then we have this gray shirt. This is cute and comfy, and it does have some cute little buttons as accents. Not crazy about it. I do like the way the top portion fits, but the bottom, I know I sound so picky. I'm going to show you. I can't turn this around right now. But like, can you see, like it just comes out? I'm not into that. And then these are like some black leggings. They're very simple. This bag right here, this is a cashmere sweater my husband got me for our anniversary. It's gorgeous. It's so beautiful. It's just, I picked it out. I was like, I love it. No, I don't know how to take care of it. You can leave me some tidbits for cashmere down in the comments. So these are a no as well. Another top that I've gotten before they resent this to me is this Sheila Rose top in blue floral, and it has this lace up here. This is a really cute shirt. It is sleeveless, but this is intended, I believe, I mean, primarily to be worn under like a little jacket or something. It's $27.99 though, and it just doesn't feel like a $27.99 shirt. You know, I believe I really liked it before, and maybe that's why they sent it to me again. But like, I just don't, I don't want to pay that. I feel like I could get this for less. Do you see what I'm saying? No, doesn't make sense. Then there's this mustard colored top. This is actually really cute. It is see-through. You can't see anything right now, but you can see like but you can't see. Do you see what I mean? Like, does that make sense? I don't think you can see anything that's like of importance. And I kind of like it. It's $27.99. I'm gonna have to think about this. I have decided though I'm keeping the tote bag. It's only $14.99. I want it, so I'm keeping the tote bag for sure. This, I don't know, it's a little small, but it's like very form-fitting, but I love these flowers are pretty, the color's pretty. I don't know, I like it. There's something about it. Then we have another dress. This is a blue, like, okay, here, I wouldn't hate the sleeves if the rest of the dress didn't like just hang off me. There's no silhouette. There's no like, there's just no shape to it. I have to let my cat in or it's gonna like tear me up. Ah! Come on. So you wanna say hi? Anyway, so there's no silhouette to it. And I don't love it. And let me see how much it costs. I should probably do that. Blue. This is $34.99. Yeah. Do you want to know? I may be dating myself, but this is what it reminds me of. There was a show called The Drew Carey Show, and there was this woman who wore like this crazy like makeup. Her name was Mimi. This is what this reminds me of. I don't want it. I just don't like it at all. This is definitely a no. Henry, what do you think of Nadine West? Henry. Henrico Suave. Oh, yes. My good boy. My good boy. Yes, he's a good boy. He likes to hold hands. Don't you, my buddy? Yes. So here's another pair of pants. These are actually pretty cute, but they feel really cheap and they're kind of expensive at $27.99. They're navy stripe. They are vertical lines, so you know they make you look taller. But I tried them on and they're literally, I'm afraid I'm gonna rip them because they're just too tight. So these are a no. I do think they're not too bad, they're cute, right? Then we have this cute. This is actually really cute. I like this. I may keep this. It's $27.99, but I don't know. It's just very like form-fitting and flattering. And like I like the ruching on the sass. It's cute, girl. These pants are also obviously Nadine West. They have like fake fraying. I'm not really into them. They're stretch pants. But those are the denim, $37.99. Those are a no. I'm not going to keep those. But this shirt, I think so. Right? I think it's cute. Hey, don't do that. Hey. Don't. You can't make biscuits on that. Anyway, this is a split tie cardigan. It's $39.99. That's way too expensive for a cardigan when I have 4,000 of them. But it does look really cute with this top. Not gonna lie, not an ugly cardigan. I just don't need something like that. You know what I mean? I have a feeling Henry is gonna make this really hard for me. There are some scrunchies. This, I guess that's a necklace with a little fake turquoise pendant, some giant hoop earrings. Those are actually really cute. And then this, another necklace. So we'll look at the prices here for that. $17.99, $34.99, $34.99. Oh, that's the tote bag. And then the other item is the scrunchies that are $14.99. Can you believe that? You can go on Amazon and get like 100 scrunchies for that price. So that's a big no for me. So look in the description box and I'll let you guys know what I kept in the end. I'm still in the clothes. So yeah, that's Nadine West. It's, again, it's not like, I don't know. I like, there's some things about it that I like, and there's some things about it that I do not like. And so, like, I still keep getting it. I did say it one time, I was like, I think I'm going to end this subscription. And then I keep getting it. So I don't know. I'm a mess. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye.